Good morning and welcome to the planning briefing for Thursday, October 24th from Missoula, Montana. My name is meteorologist Brian Conlon. Let's get started. All right, so our key points: high pressure through Saturday. Not very warm, but a couple degrees warmer than normal, and I'll show you a graph on that in a second. Cold front on Sunday. That cold front will be followed by an active period, but where there's not a very good moisture source. So even though it's going to be active, we're not talking crazy amounts of precipitation. But for southwest Montana, expect it to be windy and dry on Sunday as that cold front comes through. Then periods of mountain snow following that, valley showers, and seasonable temperatures. So looking at the weather threat matrix, looking pretty good Friday and Saturday. Saturday may see an uptick of wind, but I don't think it's going to be enough where we needed to call it a low threat. But the wind will be there on Sunday, and we put in the moderate threat for southwest Montana because it will also be dry. Mountain showers, snow showers, excuse me, for Monday. And even though there's mountain snow showers for Tuesday, this is more reflective of the showers will be present. I wouldn't even call it a low threat, to tell you the truth. All right, so let's look at that temperature trend. Warms through Sunday, cold front on Sunday. The timing's a little bit, let's just say we can't focus in on an exact time, but I would say late in the day on Sunday. And then you can see this is just a trend for the region. It's not any specific location, but from the mid-50s to the mid-40s and eventually 30s by Thursday. 30s on Thursday, that sounds pretty good. Looking at that wind, we can see that uptick. This is the day that we expect the cold front, but looking at Saturday, especially in southwest Montana, the winds begin to pick up as the trough builds off the Pacific. And then that next system on Thursday, we can see a general uptick of winds along the higher terrain again. All right, so we were concerned about southwest Montana. That's why we had it highlighted. We'll have those winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, and then you can see the minimum RHs, at least early, could get into the 20s. So we're not looking at any type of highlights, but just keep it in the back of your mind if you're out there burning, especially if you're burning around grasses. Wind and low RHs could make it a little bit easier to spread into the grasses. All right, snow level trend, that high pressure once again, cold front, and then you can see while there's precipitation going on, snow levels stay around 5,000 feet, but they slowly drop off as the week goes. And then we have another system on Thursday, and look at these snow levels. Now this is region-wide, this isn't any specific location, but we're looking at mid-3000s, okay? So keep this in mind when you watch the next briefing on Sunday. Probability of precipitation, highlighting that Monday system. So it's going to be post-frontal that we'll see most of this shower activity, and that will also be in the mountains. It's going to need those orographics to get going. Snow levels around 5,000. I'll show you one more graphic with the snow for that day. A little bit of light snow in the mountains, not on Tuesday, nothing to really write home about. And then Thursday, probability of precipitation goes up everywhere. And remember, the snow levels could be between 35 and 4,000 feet on Thursday. And of course, what day is that? Halloween. It's a typical Northern Rockies Halloween. All right, this is just for Monday night into Tuesday. And you're looking at a probability of 2 inches of snow. It's pretty high that maybe a wet 2 inches will fall, but we're not looking at any impacts. So maybe Lookout Pass, we'll see a little bit of wet snow on the grass. Lost Trail Pass, a little bit of wet snow on the grass. Mariah's Pass, a little bit of wet snow on the grass. Not likely to have any type of road impacts. All right, the Climate Prediction Center is backing us up. Starting around 6 days out and lasting through about 14 days out, below normal temperatures. and at least initially above normal precipitation, and then near normal as we get out to 2 weeks. But remember, November is one of the wetter months for at least Montana, and then it would be December for north central Idaho. So when we're saying near normal, it's a pretty good chance for getting some precipitation. All right, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call at the office and we'll give you help on this briefing. If not, our next briefing is Sunday. We'll see you then. Take care.